Look at a dog. Wait, can you even see it? So like I said earlier in their video.
Before we dive deep into today's conundrum, I must explain what's going on in the video. In a previous video which didn't make the cut due to my lack of file organization and utter fuckery, I mentioned that it would be a good idea to give the straight pipe CMX 1100 another go and remove the muffler, which I had done in a previous time, BC, or before crash, and have no way to prove it since I wasn't recording much at the time. That being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like if you do and subscribe to see more bike, gaming, and or poetry content. I enjoy every second of the suggestions and interaction with all of you, so don't be shy and let your opinions be heard. Thank you. Peace out.
We're gonna be taking the exhaust off this fucking thing. And maybe even going to give her a wash, because she's fucking disgusting. That's putrid. I need to replace those fucking brakes, especially those front ones. They're pretty low, but that's gonna be another video. So what? These two, and then this one right here. It's not too hot. All I did was drive it up here, so it shouldn't be too hot. What about down here? Down here is pretty hot, but we'll see what we can do. It's a fucking 12. Honey.
Absolute beauty.
There we go. Well, it has a clamp, so it only has to be loose. Shit, I didn't even realize. Ooh, it's hot. It's kind of hot. It's kind of fucking hot. Well, that comes off. And now this. If I hold it from here, it's not that hot, so. Don't want to lose that. Let's take it off. I'm pretty sure you have to take this off to adjust the chain. Oh, I'm excited to listen to this. Put it down right there. I should have brought a towel. This thing's getting fucking disgustingly scratched. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, she fucking... Oh, that's fucking loud. And that's only like... That's like 4,000 RPMs. That's fucking loud. It sounds obnoxious as shit. Honestly, I'm excited to drive it like this. Let's go drive it. I'm fucking sweating in this helmet, dude. Carrying this shit around. Don't look at my room number. Where are we gonna put this at? It'd be funny if I just put it on the window right there. Look at her, ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty? Oh, fuck. That's loud as shit. Oh my god. That's loud as fuck. Damn. It's loud as shit. A la madre. It sound like gunshots actually. Oh fuck. It's just making me laugh like a little girl, dude. Fuck. I don't usually like loud cars, but bikes, I don't know, man. Bikes hit me different. Touch me in a way. Pause. I think one of the only reasons I changed the exhaust is to stop hearing the whine sound. Because the CMX 1100 has a very loud whine sound that I don't like. That's a car. It has a very loud whine sound, and I want to get rid of it. But I didn't know if it was worth like buying another exhaust, or if it just sounded better without the fucking I can touch the air that's coming out. Oh my god, I gotta go wash this. You know, like something like this. Not a big noise guy. He wasn't very amused. I know a lot of people are going to be amused by the sound, but it sounds so good. It sounds like a fucking... It literally sounds like a sports bike. Like, it sounds like it would be something bigger. It's the biggest in its class, but I don't fucking know, man. Sounds great. I'm gonna do some research, like, on the drawbacks per se, like if it has any like horsepower, torque drawbacks. I'll put those graphs on the screen. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't.
That being said, after doing research on the drawbacks and possible pros to removing the muffler from the CMX 1100, most people who remove the muffler seem to have the same reaction as I do. They all giggle, they all jiggle at the sporty sound of this greatly built parallel twin engine. There was one YouTuber in particular who stood out when going through the loads of videos regarding today's topic. Yammy Noobs, which goes on to say, it'll need a tune if you're going to put an exhaust on it. And it got me wondering what a tune for a motorcycle would look like.
Leave me alone. I fuck with that sound a little too hard. Like it. Look at the sunset, guys. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that fucking gorgeous? Ain't that absolutely beautiful? Isn't that miraculously gorgeous to you all? Isn't it just absolutely stunning? It's just absolutely beautiful, mate. Quite the scenery, honestly.
My apologies for the poorly practiced and pronounced British accent, but you know I had to add shots of the beautiful sunset. Overall, I love the sound of the CMX's engine. It produces a very full undertone growl, which compares to some of the best sounding sports bikes in my opinion. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bit of a short one, but very fun at the end. Love you all, and once again, see you guys later. Peace.
Any car enthusiast will love the sound of this fucking thing, man. Come on, man. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater, dude. love it. Just love it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Leave me alone, dude. Leave me alone. Oh shit. I think I say that a little too often. I say leave me alone a little too often. Like,